Have I done it right?
Oh yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, to the left, to the left.
Take it back now, y'all. Won't have this down, whoa.
I feel like I'm like Casper's mum.
Oh, you're on it.
Where are you meant to be putting that?
Under your eye.
That's definitely my cheekbone.
Is that showing up?
Yes, definitely.
So keep them shut because if this does go south, I'm going to end up stabbing your eye. I can knock about a nose, please. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then of course, like always, I am so happy to meet you. Now, today's video is going to be a really fun one. I have got two special guests that I love so much. Now, they are going to be joining me for a little bit of who did it better. You might have seen at one point of having a friend do your makeup blindfolded. Now, to start with, I was a little bit like, it can only end one way, but I think it's going to be so much fun to do. And I just kind of want to win, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, let me introduce my two special guests. I have got Del and Loz, two sisters, and they are literally like my family. How this is gonna go is Del's gonna do my makeup, and then I'm gonna do Loz's. However, I mean, none of us have any makeup on right now, but I mean, Del never ever wears makeup. Or have you ever done
No,
no,
never.
Right, so but I'm going to be really interested to see how well she does. Obviously, we're going to be helping a little bit, aren't we? Give her a few prompts so she doesn't like put lipstick on my eyes or something. But yeah, so if by the end of this you really liked it, please give it a massive thumbs up. And of course, if you're new, subscribe. Right, let's get into the video. Start with priming my face. Okay, you're going to spritz my whole face.
Is the lid off?
Yeah, it is off.
Have I done it right?
Oh yeah, that's great.
Yeah. Are you
I was open. That's good.
Yeah,
Gonna go in with some foundation. Good to help you now. Right.
Where does it go?
All over. Right, you might want to be. So.
Careful of my eyes.
Okay.
Like blot, like pad it.
Oh, yeah.
To the left, to the left.
Take it back now, y'all. Won't have this down, whoa.
Wow, I really do need to tan, however. Yeah, that works, that's fine. Let me just remove that from your claws. Right, we're gonna go in with some concealer, right? So you're gonna start, this is like on a stick. So hold it there. You're gonna do, so feel for my chin with this hand. Right. Thumbs above my lip. That's my nose.
Where's your lip?
That's the one. Okay, then down my nose. What's the strangling situation?
I can feel your face.
Okay.
Is that your nose?
No.
Okay, the forehead. That's perfect. Right, we're going to go back in with the blender, which is the sponge. Okay, and you're going to go over those areas and pat it in.
Okay.
Right, hang on, that's it, under the nose. No,
Yeah.
go back, that's it.
You better not have got it on my jumper.
Oh no, but don't worry about mine, no? Right, okay, under my eyes. So feel with this hand. That's under my eyes, so put some there. And then this side as well.
I've got it on my finger.
Oh! Yeah, spot on, to be honest. Right.
I'm trying to feel it.
It's cracking it. Okay.
Okay, shh.
Just focus on the under the eyes.
Okay.
I think I've got a hair in my mouth.
Well. Is that right?
Let's have a look. Let's have
Can we
no
draw
eyebrows.
them? Can we draw them?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right, thank you. We're now going to go in with some pressed powder. I use this to bake. So this is going to go over. Oh dear God. chin. Okay, that's it. Slowly, slowly, gentle.
Oh, do I pat it in?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
like you're going over what you've just concealed.
Just the chin.
We're leaving the chin area. We're up the cheek.
Oh, shit.
The eyes with it.
Oh.
I'm going to close my eyes.
I would.
Into.
Okay. Right, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, we're just finished off with the forehead. I think we can leave it there. Okay, so just a little bit on my forehead.
Yep.
Okay. In the middle of my forehead, not all over. That was pretty spot on though.
How does it look?
I feel like I'm like Casper's mum. Right, so now I thought rather than going in with, because I can just see the contour getting a bit dark, brush on some bronzer onto the brush, okay? Right, so you're gonna go up my cheeks, my cheekbone.
Oh, mustard.
Stroke upwards,
Well
perfect.
done.
Again.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice stroking technique there.
Not on the mouth.
Right through the cheekbone. That's it.
Does it
Good
feel like
job.
it's getting any easier, like you're guessing where my face is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Right, so you then want to go around my forehead. I don't know why I'm doing the movements because you can't see. So I'm going to do it on you, here, all the way around.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Start there.
That's in her hairline. Right. You look like you're painting a rainbow.
Is it?
So,
next?
we're going to put on a bit of highlighter.
What's that?
Right. Top of my cheekbone, you're going to brush upwards. So, here it is. This side is the side you want, and then brush it on. You never know, guys, by the end of this, she might take bookings. Right, okay. So the top of that one. So I feel like she definitely likes the eyes. You wanted to do the eyeshadow next. Oh, that was in my mouth. Okay, right. So highlighter on, yeah. So then we're going to move on to the eyebrows. Really got to feel where my eyebrows are.
Maybe be a bit more gentle.
Yeah. This is.
I can't feel.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That was like a stabbing motion. It's a brow, isn't it? Oh. Okay, right.
Is that right?
Well, let's see, shall we?
Is it dark?
Yeah, you know, it's not the worst eyebrow
No.
I've ever seen. Okay. Right, I'm going to do the other brow. Okay, right. That's it. Feel for the other side. That's it. Feel the bush. Oh, go. Yeah.
Where is it? Mate, your eyebrows are bushy as.
Yeah, come on. Oh, thank you. That with my eyelid.
Is that how?
Yeah. They're sisters, not twins. That's what they always say about eyebrows. So we'll leave that one there. I use a clear mascara gel to sort of fluff them up, as Del politely told me I have very bushy eyebrows. So this is perfect for that.
Oh, this is for the eyebrows?
Yeah, so this is like a clear mascara, and you're going to brush it upwards, brush my hairs up.
Oh, yeah, we're on the right path.
Yeah, okay.
And the other one?
Oh, yeah. Now, as you love the eyes so much, we're going to do eyeshadow. So I'm thinking we can start with maybe a light colour on the lid, and then maybe in the corner we can go in with maybe like a brown. Right, all over the lid, sweetheart. All over the lid.
What are you doing?
That's the wrong end of the brush.
No.
Okay, right. Like the other eye.
So give it to me like that. Oh, I'm so sorry. Shut your eye.
It is shut.
Luckily.
No, and you're going to blend it inwards of my eye. So imagine you're starting on the outer bit and you're going to work it in slightly, but not all over.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just on the out.
Oh.
That's all right. Okay, and that's the brush.
Yeah.
Just on the outer bit.
What's that?
Looking good.
Oh, yeah.
No, yeah.
Well, aim of the game is not to take an eyeball out.
Okay.
Okay, right. So I'm Oh no, my eyes open or closed? Oh.
Close them.
Yeah.
I
Just
think
in
that's
case.
wise.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So feel where my eyelashes are first. Okay, there's that one.
Oh, you're on it. I can't find them.
Something sharp, something sharp. Right, okay, so the last thing is the lipstick, and I thought it's got to be red.
Is it? Oh. Is that enough? I don't think you've got enough on that.
Yeah. Okay, and then to finish off, we want to set this bad boy. Right, so just again, you're going to spritz me, okay, all over the face.
Yeah?
That will do, that will
Oh,
do.
okay.
If you'd like to have the blindfold taken off, you were quite close.
Lipstick's so good. You got good eyebrows though.
Yeah, yeah. So,
You just haven't got the back. Oh well.
okay, so now it's my turn doing Loz. Okay, guys. Obviously, I hope I'm looking at the camera okay. It's now my turn to do Loz's, so wish me luck. Right, so we're going to start with spritzing your face.
Yeah, that's prepped and ready.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
What is that? Oh, your nose. Did that hit your face?
Yeah.
Sorted. Foundation. The hardest thing is, sorry, working out where your eyebrows are. Don't dislike this at all.
That's my hair.
Okay. Oh, there we are. See, to point out, this is my makeup, so if this isn't Loz's exact colour match, well, soz, yeah.
I need to close my eyes.
Yeah, just in case. Oh god, that's a lot harder.
Feels like you're doing it like you would normally though.
I don't know, I can't.
Although that is on my eyebrow.
Yeah, well, you know.
Where are you meant to be putting that?
Under your eye.
That's definitely my cheekbone.
Okay, right, okay. If I feel like if I come closer.
You're like about to kiss me.
Oh, yeah. You know, do we do that off camera, Loz, you know?
You might want to do my cheek as well.
Right.
Oh, lovely. Oh, yeah.
Then I need the
Concealer, pressed powder.
pressed powder, yeah.
I'm not going to look like I've been in Gran Canaria, I can feel it.
Oh yeah, Loz is nice and tanned, and I've just put on a nice pale foundation. Right, okay, then we want the bronzer with the brush.
Okay. This feels like a professional.
I literally do it with my eyes shut. What can I say?
Well, it's interesting because you can do it to yourself daily, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But then doing it on someone else.
It's the blending in that's going to be the hardest.
Yeah. Definitely got some concealer on top of the lip.
Highlighter, please.
Yeah.
Glow, baby, glow.
I've never actually used highlighter before.
Oh, I love a bit of highlighter. Mind block. Brows.
That's it. And what brush is that?
The green one.
Yeah.
And then you dip with what colour you want for your brows.
Friend. That's it.
No way anybody can make somebody's eyebrows look good.
Mm.
Is that coming out? Is that showing up?
Yes. Definitely.
What was I going to say? Right, so then we want the eyeshadow. Again, pick the colour you want and I'll pop it on.
I'm going to go for a light colour, I think. Cause
That's fine.
I'm
Well,
quite
she doesn't trust me, I
fair-skinned.
don't understand.
Okay. Yeah, bro.
Oh my god, I literally am cracking up in my head that the fact that it was non-stop laughter with Dell because obviously she just never done it before. I feel like I've gone really quiet because I'm taking this so seriously.
Concentrating.
I want to win.
There we go.
You can't see what you're blending, that's the problem.
No.
So,
I'm sure it'll be alright.
yeah, I'm sure it'll do.
Might look like I've been punched.
Well, you know.
Right, what are we doing now?
Mascara. Oh, I didn't put the
fuck.
gel on your eyebrows.
Oh, we can go back.
Yeah, give me the gel. Let's fluff these babies up.
That feels right.
Don't feel like I'm hitting some brush. I mean, I'm hitting some hair. It's the mascara now. Oh, God.
Right, what
I'm
am I
really
doing?
bad.
Am I having them slightly open?
No,
or-
keep them shut because if this does go south, I'm going to end up stabbing your eye.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
So it does make it harder, I suppose.
That's my cheek. That's my other bit of cheek. Wow. This is going to be very interesting.
Okay. Did I hit the eyelash at all?
You'll see in a minute.
Okay. Right. Obviously, it's going to make a little bit more mess, guys, but I can't risk having the eyes open. It could end up with an A&E call. Right, so there's your eyes. Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, that one's going better.
Did I go straight in? I think
You
I did.
But I'm thinking now on the eyelash.
Okay, we'll leave it as that.
And now, lipstick.
We're going to do
oh
lipstick.
dear.
Yeah.
Red is not my shade. Yeah, that's not the lip.
Can you rub it together at all?
No!
Did I not get any on the lip?
How about a nose, please?
Just got to finish off
I
spritzing
think
your
we
face.
should pass.
I don't want this to stay at all, if I'm honest.
Oh, don't be so rude, eh?
Right, eyes closed.
Oh. Voila! Magnifico.
And that's the finishing touches.
Okay, let's have a look.
I look like a clown.
I mean, I got half your lipstick on.
Yeah.
I didn't do the foundation in that.
Too bad.
Bad.
I mean, I still can see a bit of concealer.
I'd be really curious to see what you guys thought and who you thought did it better. Was it me? Okay. Or was it Dell? Okay.
It was obviously me.
No, it's obviously me. Okay. As always, pleasure to have you watching. And like I said at the beginning, if you liked it, thumbs up. And please, please subscribe. So today is Sunday. And I will be seeing you for my next upload on Wednesday. All right, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.